In Light Stanza, it is very simple for a user to create easy geometric shapes. The way this can be done is you can go into New Design and you will go to a blank canvas. From here, you can create a room, or you can create a box or a polygon within the room category. What that means is when you're creating a room, it automatically throws in the calc plane at work plane height. You can also do a shape, and so I'll do a box. And you can see that this doesn't have the calc plane associated with it. And so from here, what you can do is you can make a calc plane, and it should automatically snap to whatever surface you want it to. And so we could do it to the exterior surface, and then you will just want to stretch it to fit over the whole space. And then we can move it back a little bit. Great. And so now this is how you can calculate the exterior facade of a building if that is something you were wanting to do.